Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into your Konami ID account. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser, and then on your web browser make sure that you go to my.konami.net. As you go to my.konami.net, you will land on an interface that looks like this. So here you can see that you have two options, that is either to log into My Konami and or to register your account for the first time visitors. Since you've already signed up for the account and already registered for the account and are only trying to log into your account, tap on the login option. As soon as you tap on the login option, you will now be asked to enter certain credentials like your Konami ID or your email address and then your password. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter my email address over here. After entering the email address, you will also be asked to enter your password. So enter the password that you have set for your account. And after entering the password, tap on done and then scroll downwards. You can see here that there's a certain checkbox that's given here. So I'm just gonna check this and then tap on login. After tapping on login, you'll be asked to turn on two-step verification. You can do this or you can simply tap on next time. And then within a few seconds time, you'll be able to see it when you tap on the upper right hand side on the three horizontal lines that you have already been logged into your account. So logging into your Konami ID is this very easy, and I hope that this video has further helped you to know how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to App Guide. Also, please don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you around next time.